I'm going to show you how to upload your first YouTube video. My name is Ruby. If you're looking to grow on YouTube, then you've come to the right place. Be sure to click that subscribe button, ring the bell, and turn on notifications so you're alerted to future content. We're going to hop over to YouTube now. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to upload your first video to YouTube. Looking to know how to set up your YouTube channel? Then definitely check that video out. We will put a link above so you can check that out. If you want to watch it before this video, that video will link to this one at the end so you can continue through the series. But we created this channel, my awesome YouTube channel, as a testing place to show you exactly how this works from the brand new channel perspective. Things do look a little bit different. We're going to click on YouTube Studio, and just so you know, when you are logged in and you come to YouTube, you're going to have this icon in the upper right hand corner. If you click on it and then go down to YouTube Studio, then you'll be able to get in here. Just to show you what it's like when you're on your channel versus when you click here and go down to YouTube Studio. We'll do it one more time. So there you have it. So you are in your brand new channel. Want to upload a video. What you're going to do is go to the upper right hand corner, and you're going to have a few different options here. So upload videos is ultimately what we're going to do today. But you have the option to go live, to create playlists, or a new podcast. For the sake of this video, we're going to show you how to use the upload videos feature. This is going to bring up the upload videos dialog in the center of the screen like so. You're going to click in here to select files to upload a video. Then you're going to navigate to a video on your desktop. We're just going to grab one of these randomly here and upload to YouTube. Now, when you click upload, it's going to start the process of transferring that file over to YouTube. But there's a bunch of information that you have to fill in specific to your video. And we're going to go over that on these next screens here. The first one is details. You want to give it a title, my test video. We will call this one. You want to give it a description. Definitely subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to optimize your videos. But we're going to keep it kind of simple in this one, description about your video. This is where you would add a thumbnail. If you've already created a thumbnail, then you can click this button and upload it here. What you're going to get is when this video is done uploading, it's going to pre-populate some options here. Look at that perfect timing that you can choose as your thumbnail. So you have one of these three options. Ultimately, you probably want to do something a little more creative than just a screen print, but for the sake of this video and getting that video uploaded, we're just going to choose one of these. It wants you to know which playlist, and I'm not going to select any playlist now, and I'll tell you why here in a minute. Also, we need to know whether or not it's made for kids. The reality is here, if you're intentionally trying to target kids, then you need to select yes. If your video is in no way made for kids, then you want to select no. There's some other stuff down here that they have hid. Whether or not there's a promotion in your video, you're not going to have to worry about any of that as a brand new video upload. So we're going to click next here. We don't need to worry about any of these. A card is basically a link that pops up in the top of your video to another video or offer or something like that. We're going to skip that for the sake of this. And then it checks it automatically does a copyright check. Compares your video to other videos that have already been uploaded to YouTube to make sure that you're not uploading somebody else's content, which is completely frowned upon. And you want to avoid doing that. So no checks there. We're going to hit next. And then this is where I wanted to kind of go back to the information that you're getting, that you fill out on that first detail screen. What I do here is you want to upload this video as either private or unlisted. It means you're not actually publishing your video yet. You're just kind of completing the upload process to make sure that that video transfers. Once it transfers, it's on YouTube. You don't have to worry about misconnections or, failed or dropped internet or anything like that to interrupt that video. So once it's up there, you can go back in and update all that other information. So what I like to do is I usually upload these as unlisted, and I will save from here. What that's going to do is it's just going to let it focus on, getting the upload done. This video was really short, so that video is completely uploaded. And now to find that video, we're going to click on comment. This is where all of your uploaded videos are going to display. So as you have more videos, I don't know why that's such a hard sentence to say, but whatever. As you have more videos, they're all going to appear here. You notice if you click or hover over one of these videos, you're going to see this little pencil. This is where you can go in and edit details. So we're going to click on that. You see that everything is in there that we saw on that first detail screen. That's why if you're uploading from your phone or you're uploading on your desktop, you don't have to take care of all this information right away. You can upload the video, come back and work on your title and your description at home and at a custom thumbnail and go through all those things. And if you're interested in custom thumbnails, how to do it, what you should do, definitely leave a comment below. If I get enough response there, I'll definitely do a video on how to create custom thumbnails and show you exactly how that process works and get more eyeballs on your videos. When we are ready to make this video visible to the world, we are going to publish this video or make it public. So we have our description. We've entered everything in here the way we like it. We've added it to a playlist. We don't have any playlists. I do recommend that you create playlists. So we'll call a playlist. We'll do latest videos from whatever we call this channel. Awesome YouTube channel, and add a description as well. We try to title these videos in a way that they might show up if somebody's searching for the channel or related content. Because a playlist can show up in search, we will do that. We will hit create. That will create that playlist and then we'll hit done. You'll see that it is listed there. We already dealt with whether or not it's made for kids. Then all you have to do when you're ready to let the world see this video is come in here, click public, click done, and then click save. This video is out on YouTube. YouTube is going to start surfacing it in various areas, and that is going to help you get some eyeballs on your videos. Now, don't be discouraged if you're not seeing a ton of views. It is a process. It just takes some time to learn exactly how to make videos that people want to watch. And it is something that you learn by doing so. Definitely don't despair. Focus on making videos and uploading the videos, and you'll be on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't let the learning stop here. I'll put a video on screen now that can help you grow and be successful here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think, but I know the value of words. The words can make you, break you. They can heal your soul. They can damage you forever. So I always try to use the positive words in my life wherever I go. They call it adversity. I call it opportunity. They call it weakness. I call it strength. They call me disabled. I call myself differently abled. They see my disability. They see my disability. I see my ability. There are some incidents that happen in your life, and those incidents are so strong that they change your DNA. Those incidents or accidents are so strong that they break you physically. They deform your body, but they transform your soul.